Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are doing a Python quiz. It's very simple but very cool. So to start, you need a Python code editor or any code editor, your choice, but I prefer you to use Visual Studio Code. Download links in the description, and a Python, that also download link in the description if you just go and download. If you already have installed, no need to do anything, just hang on to the video. And if you have downloaded Visual Studio Code, you also need the Python extension right here. Just click install. Okay, inside the button will appear. Just install and code runner extension and to run your Python script. Okay, so just go ahead and install both of these and then just close everything and just stay in the video. So to start, when you hear the word quiz, what comes to your mind? There are questions with options, and there is a person who is taking the quiz, who ticks option and then submits the quiz, and he gets some answers. So what we have to do in our quiz, we need to give the user, means the person taking the quiz, questions, and the questions we give, the user is gonna return answers to us. We need to check if the answers are correct or not, and from that we can give him the marks. So there is a pre-built function in Python named input. So if I just go ahead and show you the input, okay, so we're just gonna type in what is your name. If we say, okay, what is your name? Now click on this arrow right here and run this file in Python terminal. Okay, run Python file in terminal. Okay, then there will be just a little pop-up and it will say what is your name, and there will be this cursor where you can actually type. So let me just type a name of Jack. Okay, so if I just type in the name of Jack and enter, nothing happens because we have nothing after it. Now we know how to get the user input, but we actually don't know how to get it. We made the user type the input, but now we need to also get it. So how to get it? We maybe need to store it somewhere. So where do we store it? Do we store it inside a box? Yes, we store it inside a box. And the name of the box is variables. Variables are containers which can contain anything, nearly anything inside of them. So let's say we make a variable name. This is how you make variables in Python. So we say name, variable name is equal to input from the user on the question of what is your name. We just run this and it says what is your name. So if I just type in name of Jack, now the same thing happened. Nothing happened after we typed in this, but the Jack, the string, this part right here, this got saved inside the box, the variable called name. We can't see it, but if we just say like print name, if we just say this and we print it, it will ask us again, what is your name? My name is Jack. And then it printed it. We didn't say it to print Jack. We said it to print the value inside the variable. We said it to print the value inside the variable. Now this is how we get the values. This is how we get the answers. Now let's start with the quiz. We got the basic idea, but there is still one part remaining. How do we check the answers? I'll tell you. So first of all, we'll start off with the quiz. A little greeting is good. So we're gonna say print hello, welcome to my quiz, and a smiley face. Okay, yay, now we have a smiley face. Okay, so now we want to ask the user if he wants to start the quiz or he doesn't want to. Okay, so like this we will do, and we're gonna just say, just a second, I'll come back in a moment. There is thunderstorm going. Perfect. Okay, sorry for that, for making you wait. Now let's start again. So yeah, where are we? Yeah. So we need to ask the user if he wants to continue doing the quiz or not. So we say, do you want to start the quiz? Question mark. Okay, now we want to check if the answer is equal to yes. If it is, then we are gonna start the quiz. Yes. So to check whether, what do we say? If answer is equal to, we don't say like that in Python. If statement. If answer is equal to the value which is yes, sorry, then we print yes it is. Let's start. Wow, cool. Okay, let's start. It says hello, welcome to my quiz, the first line. Then it goes to the second line. It says, do you want to start the quiz? If I say yes, then it says yes, yes it is, let's start the quiz. What if I say no? What if I don't want to start the quiz? What if I say no? Nothing happens, because it only checks. It checks. If it's yes, okay, fine, then the Python goes like, oh, okay, this line means if, okay, oh, let me check. Oh, answer is equal to no. We don't run this line, okay? So like that it works. But things. Okay, let me just type in. I'll show you what it means. What I mean. We're gonna type in else which is elif in Python. If if answer is equal to yes, then we print let's start. Else if the answer is equal to no, then we quit the quiz. Then we just quit the quiz. Yes, nothing happens. But there are so many forms of no. Like they can type in no. Fine. Okay. Hold on. Let me just say print come back when you want. Okay. So let's go. If they type in no, then it says come back when you want. But what if they type in no? No, nothing happens because we have given the condition of no. So we don't want to give any conditions. We just want, so what we want? We just want a yes from the user. We don't care about anything they do. So we just type in yes, and we don't need else if here. We need else. So if the answer is yes, then we print. If answer is anything rather than yes, then we just print quitting the quitting the quiz. Come back when you want to. And we quit. Perfect. So now we have a little one question running right here. Do you want to start the quiz? Yes, I want to start the quiz. Yes, it is. Let's start. But do you want to start the quiz? No, I don't want to. Okay, quitting the quiz. Come back when you want. Nope, I don't want. See, it works good. If they just go ahead and go spamming the sorry, if they just go spamming the keyboard, it will quit because it's not yes. Like that. I just gonna clear it. Okay, so we have a clean slate. Now let's start the quiz. Now let's actually start the quiz. So first things first, it will quit if it's anything rather than yes. Okay, now we're gonna move to our first question. Now we're gonna type in this hashtag. Okay, hashtag is a command, so the Python goes like, okay, I will run this. Okay, this will be a input. Okay, I will check if it's yes. Okay, I will print. Okay, I will print this. Okay, I will quit. And if it comes to this line, it's gonna see, oh, it's a hashtag. I'm gonna skip this line and it goes to the next code. So it doesn't execute this particular line which has the hashtag. So we can use this to explain the code to the other user. So we're gonna say question 1 right here. If you don't want to write question 1 like this, then don't. And now your question can be anything. But for me, I'm just gonna choose a simple question. What helps us type in the computer or the laptop? So we're gonna say question 1 is equal to get the input from the user. Okay, and we're gonna say what is no, we're gonna say question 1. Okay, hold on, let me just make it more beautiful. We're gonna say question 1, then like this, and we will say again input. Actually it's gonna print, hold on, yes, so we're gonna first of all print question. We're gonna print, sorry, I'm having issues, question 1, Q capital. Perfect. So question 1, it will say, and we'll move to the next line by doing this N. So this will move us to the next line. So we're gonna print question 1, and then we're gonna type the question, which is print. Now this is our question. We're gonna print the question right here. The question is, what helps us type in the keyboard? And then hit a question mark like this. Okay, perfect. Then we'll also add one more dash n to move to the new line, and we're gonna now type in the options. We're gonna print. We're gonna use this triple this for typing the options. Okay, so one is mouse, second is keyboard, third is a printer, and fourth is a book. Just some random words. Okay, so now this will happen, and now we want the slash n after this, and then we want the user to write the input. So we say answer 1 equals to input from the user. Okay, and we're gonna say enter the number before the option. OPTION, option. Perfect. So also we want to have a variable named score. Let's just give a variable in the first line itself. score equals to 0. For now, score is 0 when they start. Okay, so like this, the question 1 and then the answer. Okay, after that we're gonna check if the answer, if the ANS1 is equal, the value of it is equal to 2, then we're gonna add 1 to score. Score, SCORE plus equals to, so we're gonna add 1 and then we're gonna say 1. Score plus equal to 1. This is a thing to add 1 to score. Now the score which was 0 will become 1. But if anything else is there, then we're gonna do is then we're gonna do nothing. Then we're just gonna put print, we're gonna say moving to the next question. And I'm just gonna copy this and paste it right here. Perfect. Now we have first question ready. Now we need to do this for several other questions. Now I think you can do that on your own, because other than this video is going to be very big. Okay, it's gonna take lots of time. Okay, so you can put your own creativity in it, but for now let's just run it and check it. Okay, so first of all it will say, hello, do you want to start the quiz? Yes, I want to start the quiz. Now we have what helps us type in the keyboard, question 1. So I think the keyboard helps us type in the question. So I'm gonna type in option 2. Gonna hit enter. Moving to the next question. Okay, and after the quiz is done. Okay, so in like here I have the question 9. At the end of all the questions, you're gonna just put print. Okay, you're just gonna print your score, SCORE was, okay, your score was, comma, and then you're gonna type in score, score, and then out of 5, the number of questions you have written out of 5. Score was this, out of 5. Okay, and then just do this. Gonna run it again. Yes, I want, sorry, yes, I want to play. Number 2, moving to the next question, your score was 1 out of 5. Okay, and if they don't give answer, they're not gonna get 1 in their score. Okay, so their score is gonna remain 0. Okay, so If I type in option 4 maybe, so I get 0 because I haven't answered the question. So that is how you make a quiz in Python. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Till then, take care. Bye.